Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make these environmentally friendly paper pots out of newspaper. So without further ado, let's get started. The only thing you need for this DIY is just 2 pages of newspaper. And you get the newspaper from your mail. Basically, you get one of your newspapers, you unfold it, and you'll notice that it has these folded lines tear along the folded lines. Once you cut along the folded lines, you might end up with 2 or 4 pages of newspaper, and you're only going to need to use 2 of them. The next thing you're going to do is with one of the pages, you're going to fold it in half. Doesn't matter where you start, you're going to fold it in half, and then you're going to fold it in half again the same way. And then you're going to form a bracelet. Basically, you take one end and you slide it into the other end. And it forms this bracelet. And set it aside. Get your other page. What you're going to do to the second page is you're going to crumple it up and then opening it up and then flattening it. And place the paper ring in the middle, and then you're going to tuck in the corners of the second page of the newspaper in. Once you have tucked in the corners and the sides of the paper into the paper ring, make a few adjustments to make sure the paper is staying in its place. And then at the bottom of the paper pot, make a small hole by just making a small tear. That way it creates a drainage hole. And after that, it is ready to be used for planting. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below any video suggestions. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.